On the table here I have a pair of Garmin Vector 3 pedals. In this video I'll change the battery and show you what's involved here. Very straightforward. The battery compartment is at the side of the pedal and it needs a 4mm Allen key to take off the battery cover. Instead of an L-shaped one, I'm using this socket. The battery cover needs not to be over tightened. The battery cover features this, in this case, yellow O-ring, which needs to be compressed gently when this is reinserted into the pedal. So it doesn't need excessive amount of force, gorilla power to tighten this tiny battery cover. The battery is in the battery compartment. It looks like this, and the positive side of the battery was facing the outside of the cover. The type of battery that goes into it could be like this. The CR1/3N, that's what you're seeing here on the top of the battery, but LR44 or SR44 also works. So this is one kind of battery that works. Another one that works is this one, smaller in thickness, but not smaller in diameter. How do I show you this? There, in thickness. There we go. So you need two of these, one on top of another, of course, to make up the thickness of or height of this. And of course, I'm looking at Garmin's own website. They say replace batteries in sets. The batteries go in like so, with the positive terminal on the battery facing the outside of the pedal, and the batteries are not held in place too well, so get ready for battery spillage. And because the pedal has a nylon body, obviously don't want to be cross-threading, and this is what's inside. When the battery is inserted, there should be a red LED check light at the end of the pedal, but what I want to focus on instead is this yellow O-ring here that needs to be compressed just gently with minimal amount of force, just like so. Yeah, that's it. And whether it flashed or, there we go. The manual says red, this was green. I guess close enough is close enough, so let's take a look at Garmin's website here. The battery type here says CR1/3N or LR44 or SR44. So what am I doing with this Energizer 357 here? Well, let's go to Energizer's website. Not coincidentally, here is the 357/303. It's a silver oxide type battery. Replaces SR44, etc. You can see the numbers there. So this battery is a 1.55 volt battery. Yes, it says 1.5, but if you look at the data sheet, so it is 1.55 volts right here. Oops, there, you get it. So this is what Garmin says about this battery change. The same thing. There's the yellow O-ring, and do not over tighten the battery cover. And it says the pedal LED flashes red once. Yeah, it was green. Close enough is close enough. I'm going to include the link to this website. This is Garmin's own instruction manual for the Vector 3 and 3S pedals.